Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. Today we are on the 2011 Nissan Leaf. Finally back on this series. Finally we'll be able to continue on it because, as if you know, it does have a bad main battery. If you follow me on Instagram, and look at that, we got ourselves a parts car. Yep. This one has 10 bars of the 12 of the main battery. This one has 4 bars of the 12. So I'm only getting 7 to 10 miles max. I mean, that's pushing it. 10 miles is pushing it. So it's got 7 miles max. So I take it to work, charge it, bring it home, charge it. That's it. Can't do anything else. This one, I can drive it for 2-3 days and do what I want to do, not worry about anything. So today, finally today, we're gonna do a battery swap, and then I'm gonna sell this as a parts car, or I don't know what I might do, but that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna transfer the rims and tires, or wheels and tires, from this one to that one. This one needs tires. These ones, all 4 are good, and I need the center caps. It's got all the floor mats, put them in that one. A lot of things, and then, like I said, I'm just gonna sell it. Let someone else either fix it. If you can see in there, frame rails are bent on both sides. So, yep, let's put them on jack stands, and also I'm gonna put four pads, front and rear, while it's up in the air, and maybe finally detail the interior. So let's get working. All right, we got it all up on jack stands. It should be high enough. Got the other one up on jack stands, so now I got to take off all the, well, this one, all the belly pans are gone pretty much from the accident. This one has them all, but I don't have to take off the back one, just all the middle ones in the front. So that's what I'll do right now. So we'll be back. Woo! Me and Eddie are freaking tired. These things are heavy, 600 plus pounds. We went to Harbor Freight, got little furniture dollies, 1,000 pounds each, so it should carry it 2,000 pounds, so 600 no problem. But still moving them around, man. All right, so this is the old battery pack. It is original, and my assumptions were right. Battery has been changed on the donor car. This is a black casing. It's a newer one, so they probably went under warranty with that 8-year 80,000 mile warranty that the Nissan gave them. So this is what it looks like underneath with no battery. So I'm going to switch batteries. I'm going to position this one in, put it in, and then put in the other one from the parts car into the silver one. Let's do this. About 8 to 10 hours later, it is done. I'm not gonna film the brakes. People have seen plenty of that, but under there, all done, all hooked up, complete. As you can see, silver. Only have 4 bar. Everything is bam. Everything, no lights, no nothing. Got 10 bar. It is awesome. Completed. Registered the battery. So that's done. Over here is the parts car, the black one. Completed also. Got it all done. Now this one has the bad battery. So now I'm going to sell this one. Not bad, guys, not bad. 1,100 bucks for this parts car. And I got me a battery with 10 bars. This only has 4. This is a salvage title. That silver one, clean title. Makes sense. All right, a lot of work, but I think it's worth it. I will get my money. This thing would be worth 8-10 grand all day long. Clean her up. Yeah, it's got little bumps and bruises, scrapes, but which 2011 doesn't? I mean, there's clean ones out there. That's why I said I might get 8. So this is gonna end this video right here on the battery switch. Next video will be me cleaning the interior. And we're back. It's another day on the Nissan Leaf. We left off where I was changing the lithium-ion battery pack, the main pack underneath. Today we're going to tackle the interior, like I said. Next was the interior. We're going to clean the back piece, all the mats, clean all those. I might put a time lapse. Like I said, I can't do every video. I got off work early, jammed home, started, even forgot to film because I already started vacuuming. So the back end's clean. I still got to do, you know, wipe everything down, clean everything, but I already started vacuuming. Door jambs are dirty, clean those up. Carpet, cheap ass carpet. Look at that, Velcro kind. I don't know how to explain it, but it's crap. But hey, they have to cut costs so they can make it affordable, mass produce it. Parts car had a cabin filter. I don't even know if it's new yet. It's brand new. Cool. Put that with the wipers. But yeah, clean up the seats. Clean up the door panels. Again, cheap ass carpet. Clean up the seats. Clean up the door jambs. They are filthy. They are. Armrest, pretty nasty. Clean up in the cracks and crevices. I should have taken the seat off the other parts car. This bolster's messed up, but hey, what could I do? It's gone now. But yeah, look what happened to the carpet. That's awful for the amount of money you pay. But like I said, they gotta cut costs somewhere. Oh man. So yeah, steering wheel I cleaned the first day I got it, so it's not too bad, but I'm gonna do it again. And I cleaned off the dash when I first got it also, but I've never nothing cleaned it inside, never vacuumed anything. So be its first detail and then for sale. So if anybody's interested, I'll do a separate video on the walkthrough after it's all done, clean, detailed. Let's go to the engine compartment or motor compartment. And here's that 6-liter LS conversion, electric. Yeah, right. But yeah, this is the I guess this is the charger. I took the little cover off the parts car, had it, so I'm gonna clean this up and put the cover right back on it, see what it looks like. But yeah, it's a little dirty under here, so I'm gonna clean this up. Got spider webs. Poor thing. I do drive it though. Alright, again, forgot to hit record. I already started doing the interior, cleaned up the door panel here. I already scrubbed all this. I'm gonna start extracting it right now. And I am hungry. It is morning. Man, I'm pretty sure you heard my stomach. Here's the back. All cleaned up. So I got an extra cabin filter. I got the rear wiper, haven't changed it. And I found an original Nissan charger. So cool. Got that now. Got this door panel done. So now I'm going to extract all this. Hopefully that stain will come out. And let's do this. Wow, I sprayed some carpet cleaner that I use at LA Awesome. Look at what it pulled out. Dang. A lot of coffee. Well, let's see if it extracts it. It should. Let's get back to work. Okay, done with the interior. Came out pretty good. Yeah, got that stain out. They're still a little wet. So it's a nice sunny day, so leave the doors open. You remember the center console. That was pretty dirty. This is just the suede being wet. Or whatever it is. Sweet. Interior all done. Put the mats in. Airplane coming through. Heck yeah. Sweet. This will be up for sale soon. If anybody's interested, I'll do a walkthrough video. Tell you everything I've done. Heck yeah. Ooh, I forgot that right there. Oops. Get that real quick. And there we have it, all detailed out, outside and in. Outside got a little buff. Got rid of all the little scratches, minor scratches and stuff like that. She's looking sharp. Let's take a look in the hood. Electric bay is clean. Let's take a look inside. Look better with the mats in. Got all that coffee out. Heck yeah. Armrest looks good. Driver's seat looks good. Oh yeah. Here's the rear. I like it. Yeah. You already saw inside the trunk a couple of times. So that's going to end this video on the Nissan Leaf. And that's going to be it for Bobby's Backyard today on the 2011 Nissan Leaf. It is complete, done, and be ready for sale pretty soon. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing on the side. Please like and share and comment below. Really helps out the channel. And talk to you guys later.